Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came to my father to his house and purchased a litter from him and said, "Send your son along with me so as to carry it to my house." My father said to me, "Carry it." So I carried it, and my father went out along with Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and started examining the amount. My father said to him, "O Abu Bakr, tell me, what did you do on the night when you went along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Makkah Mukarramah to Medina Munawwara?" Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "Yes, we both traveled throughout the night till dawn, and when it was noon, the route became desolate and none was seen moving there. We saw a colossal stone extending shade, and there the sun had not encroached. So we dismounted thereby. I made for that stone, leveled that place with my hand for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to sleep. I then spread a fur leather garment there and submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, go to sleep on it. I will monitor the surrounding area.' So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took rest there, and I went around to keep watch for him. Meanwhile, I sighted a shepherd along with the flock of sheep coming towards that rock, intending the same benefit from that stone what we intended. I asked, 'O boy, for whom do you work?' He told the name of a man belonging to Makkah Mukarramah. I again asked, 'Do your goats give milk?' He replied, 'Yes.' I inquired, 'Will you milk for me?' He said, 'Yes.' I caught hold of a goat. I whereupon said to him, 'Wipe up the hair, dust and straw from the teats.' The reporter says, I saw Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu striking his one hand with the other to describe the process of milking. That boy then drew a bowl full of milk for me. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, I had a small water skin along with me, in which I had kept water for the Prophet's drinking and performing ablution. I then went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but I did not like to awake him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself awoke. I then mixed some water with the milk until it got cool. I submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, take it.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam consumed it to such an extent as I got pleased. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, 'Isn't it the time of depart?' I submitted, 'Why not?' Then after the sun had passed the meridian, we set out. Suraqa bin Malik chased us. We were on the hard land. I submitted, 'The infidels have reached us.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Don't be scared. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is with us.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against Suraqa bin Malik. So I was watching that his horse sank belly deep in the earth. He said, 'I am sure that you both have made invocation against me. Now invoke Allah in my favor. I swear I will send you a pursuers back.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in his favor, and he being delivered went back. Whosoever of the infidels would meet him, he would say to him, 'I have done your job. They are not here.' And he would meet none, but send him back. He fulfills the promise he made with us. Hazrat Bara radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu purchased a litter from my father for 13 dirhams. Usman bin Umar's narration says, when Suraqa drew near Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, made an invocation against him, his horse whereupon sank belly deep in the ground. He jumped down from the horse and said, 'O Muhammad, I am sure it is an act of yours. Now invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to deliver me of it. I promise whoever will come in your pursuit, I will keep you hidden from him. Here is my quiver. Take an arrow from it, because soon you will pass by my camels and slaves at such and such place. You may take whatever you want as per your requirement on showing this arrow.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'I don't need your camels.' We then reached Medina Munawwara at night. The people started quarreling as to where Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will reside. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'I will stay with Banu Najjar, who is the maternal uncle of Abdul Muttalib. So I will honor them by my stay.' Then all men and women mounted the housetops, and young boys and slaves scattered in the way, and they were raising slogans, 'Ya Muhammadu Ya Rasulullah, Ya Muhammadu Ya Rasulullah. O Muhammad, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Muhammad, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam.' Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7438.